Do not be afraid, for your faith has made you whole.
Until my second coming, John, be here is my will. For what for you?
Who do you say that I am? You are the Christ, the Son of the living God.
Follow me, and I will send you out to fish for people. Lord, we have left everything. Truly, may I offer some assistance, sister?
Thank you, Rabbi. May you be blessed.
I pray for abundance to fill this home.